Department, Reg speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, I would like to order breakfast.
Would you tell me your room number and your name, please?
My name is Aubrey Ebon. I'm in room 266.
What would you like to order, Miss Aubrey?
I would like to have a set of continental breakfast.
Would you like to have coffee or tea?
No thanks. Do you have any fresh juice?
Yes, we do. We have orange juice, apple, watermelon, and pineapple.
I would like to have one orange juice.
Would you like to add a set of tropical fruit?
What kind of fruit do you have?
We have grapes, apple, and orange.
Yes, I want one set of tropical fruit, please.
Will there be anything else?
No thanks, that's all.
May I repeat your order? Your order a set of continental breakfast, one orange juice, and a set of tropical fruit.
Yes.
What time would you like to be served?
Around 7, please.
Certainly, Miss Aubrey, your order will be served around 7 o'clock. Thank you for using the room service facilities. I hope you enjoy your meal. Have a nice day. So we have a continental breakfast. We have spaghetti, French toast, spam and egg, and tropical fruit, and orange juice. Room service. Room service.
Yes, please come in.
This is your breakfast. One set of continental breakfast, one set of tropical food, and orange juice. Is there anything you want?
No thanks.
Okay, could you please sign your bill? Okay, I will be back in 1 hour. Please enjoy your breakfast. Thank you. Room service.
Yes, please come in.
May I clean your table, ma'am?
Yes.
So, how was the food, ma'am?
It's very nice, especially the spaghetti.